Welcome to today's video where we'll guide you through the minimum software, tools, and techniques required to start Python programming in just 10 minutes on a brand new computer. Let's check if Python is installed on this computer or not. Now you can see that Python is not installed on this new Windows 10 computer. Now let's go to Python's official website and download Python's latest version 3.12.0 to install it on this branch's new computer. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code's official website and download the Visual Studio Code's latest version to install it on this brand new computer. Now we have downloaded Python and Visual Studio Code, IDE. Now we install these two one by one. First we install Python followed by Visual Studio Code. You can install these two software in any order. It does not matter. Now we have installed Python latest version in this computer, so let's check whether it is installed properly or not. We will use Python command to check Python is installed or not. Type the command in the terminal python ---- version. If you are able to see the output result Python 3.12.0. It means Python has successfully installed on this computer. Congratulations, you have achieved first step milestone. Now let's install the Visual Studio Code latest version that we had downloaded. Just follow the installation wizard and click Next. Now we have installed Visual Studio Code latest version in this computer. Go to your desktop. Now you can see one shortcut Visual Studio icon. Click the icon to open Visual Studio Code. Now you can see Visual Studio Code IDE will open. Select any folder from your computer to start writing Python program. Congratulations, you have achieved the second step milestone. Final step, let's start writing our first Python program. Let's create a Python file in any folder with extension py. For example, hello.py. We start with very simple Python program by just displaying a hello message. Final step, let's start writing our first Python program. Let's create a Python file in any folder with extension py. For example, hello.py. We start with very simple Python program by just displaying a hello message. To run, debug Python file or Python lines of code in Visual Studio Code with ease, let's install a Visual Studio plugin called Python developed by Microsoft. It will give the easiest way to run and debug any Python code or program. Let's do it. After installing the Python plugin and extension, we need to restart the Visual Studio Code to see changes. Now you can see the play button at top right corner of the Visual Studio. Now you can run, debug Python file with this. Now we write a code to add two numbers in Python and see how it works. Are you curious to see it? Let's do it also. Congratulations! You have written your first Python program in just 10 minutes of time. Are you excited to extend your knowledge in Python from beginner to expert? Well, this is the Season 1 Episode 1 video. If this video is helpful, meaningful, or informational, then like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. The next episode will be released in a few days. To get an update, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.